Welcome to this comprehensive guide on sniping meme coins with Bloombot and Phantom. This tutorial will walk you through the process of using these tools to identify and invest in meme coins, which are a type of cryptocurrency that gains popularity quickly. First, let's start with the basics. Meme coins are cryptocurrencies that are inspired by internet memes or jokes. They often have a large following and can experience rapid price increases. However, they can also be highly volatile and may lose value quickly. To get started, you will need to install the Phantom wallet, which is a digital wallet that allows you to store and manage your cryptocurrencies. You will also need to set up an account with a cryptocurrency exchange, such as Binance or Coinbase. Next, you will need to download and install the Bloombot, which is a software tool that helps you identify and snipe meme coins. The Bloombot uses advanced algorithms to analyze market trends and identify meme coins that are likely to increase in value. Once you have installed the Bloombot, you will need to set up your account and configure the bot to work with your Phantom wallet and cryptocurrency exchange. This will involve entering your API keys and setting up your trading parameters. Now, let's talk about how to use the Bloombot to snipe meme coins. The bot will analyze market trends and identify meme coins that are likely to increase in value. When the bot identifies a meme coin, it will send you a notification and provide you with information about the coin, including its price and market capitalization. To snipe a meme coin, you will need to act quickly. The Bloombot will provide you with a link to the cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy the meme coin. You will need to log into your account and purchase the meme coin as quickly as possible. It's also important to have a strategy for selling your meme coins. You will need to set a target price for selling your coins and use a stop-loss order to limit your losses if the price of the coin drops. In conclusion, sniping meme coins with Bloombot and Phantom can be a profitable investment strategy, but it requires careful planning and execution. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can use these tools to identify and invest in meme coins and potentially earn a significant return on your investment. Remember to always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose.